please, please. Use kind words, that's so neat. Nice work saying please. What do you say? If you don't want more, say no. Thanks. Say it kindly, not a roar. So polite, you said no thanks. What do you say? When you need to speak, say excuse me. That's polite and kind, not weak. Great manners, you said excuse me. What do you say? When they thank you, say you're welcome. That's what kind kids always do. So thoughtful, you said you're welcome. What do you say? When a friend walks by, say hi, hello. Wave your hand and smile real high. That was a happy hello.